records driving events, enhances safety, protects against accidents, and provides evidence for insurance or disputes. My today's video is about top 5 best car smart dash cam that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Suvcon Car Smart Dash Cam. The Suvcon Triple Dash Cam is a comprehensive 3-channel dash camera system designed to maximize safety and coverage on the road. Featuring a 170 degrees wide-angle front camera, a 150 degrees cabin camera, and a 150 degrees waterproof rear camera, it effectively reduces blind spots while providing full visibility of your vehicle's surroundings. The IPS screen ensures clear images from any viewing angle without distortion. Equipped with a G-sensor and parking monitor, the dashcam automatically locks and records footage during sudden shakes or collisions, even when your car is stationary. Its loop recording feature continuously overwrites the oldest footage once storage is full, with videos recorded in 1 or 3 minute intervals, and it includes a 32 GB SD card for immediate use. Superior WDR and HDR technology, along with 4 infrared LEDs, deliver clear night vision and balanced exposure in any lighting condition. Installation is plug and play, mounting easily on the windshield, with a user-friendly display and simple controls, making this dashcam ideal for reliable, full-coverage vehicle monitoring. Now our second product is Terunsoul Car Smart Dash Cam. The Terunsoul Dual 4K Dashcam offers premium front and rear coverage, capturing every detail with Ultra HD 3840x2160p resolution. The front camera's 170 degrees ultra-wide-angle lens covers 6-lane roads, while the rear camera ensures complete visibility behind the vehicle. Both cameras feature large apertures, f1.5 front, f1.8 rear, and enhanced WDR for vivid colors and clear night footage, making it ideal for accident evidence in low-light conditions. Equipped with a pre-installed 128 GB memory card, expandable up to 512 GB, the dashcam supports loop recording, a G-sensor for collision-triggered video locking, and a manual lock button for emergency footage. Built-in GPS records real-time speed, route, and location, adding critical evidence to your recordings. The dual-band 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and Terunsoul app enable fast wireless viewing, downloads, and sharing on iOS or Android devices, while settings and firmware can be managed remotely. With 24-hour parking monitoring via time-lapse recording and easy installation, this dashcam provides reliable security, detailed recordings, and peace of mind. Backed by an 18-month warranty, it's a must-have for any driver. Our third product is Virrow Car Smart Dash Cam. The Virrow 4K plus 2.5K dual dash cam delivers exceptional front and rear coverage, ensuring maximum safety and recording clarity. The front camera captures stunning 4K video, while the rear camera provides crisp 2.5K footage, with a 170 degrees ultra-wide front lens and 165 degrees rear angle to minimize blind spots. Perfect for cars, trucks, minivans, and buses, it records day and night, offering clear evidence for accidents or road incidents. Equipped with a 3.39-inch touchscreen and a built-in G-sensor, the dashcam automatically locks emergency footage during collisions, while loop recording continuously overwrites old files. The f1.8 aperture and 6-layer lens system, combined with WDR technology, ensure crystal-clear night vision, capturing every license plate and road detail. The package includes a free 64 GB memory card, and 24/7 parking guard with time-lapse mode protects your vehicle while parked. Installation is simple with adhesive tape and cable management tools. Backed by an 18-month warranty and 24/7 support, this dual dashcam provides reliable, high-definition protection for every journey. Now number 4, Rove Car Smart Dash Cam. The Rove or 2-4K dual dash cam offers cutting-edge dual-channel recording with 4K front and 1080p rear cameras, capturing every detail on the road. The front 150 degrees ultra-wide-angle lens and rear 140 degrees lens ensure comprehensive coverage, while the Sony Starvis 2 sensor and f1.5/f1.8 apertures deliver bright, clear recordings even in low-light conditions. Super Night Vision ensures safety and clarity during night driving. Equipped with dual-band 5G Wi-Fi, the dashcam lets you download videos to your iPhone or Android at speeds up to 20 megabytes per second. The built-in GPS records routes, speed, and compass directions, which can be viewed on the free Rove GPS player, providing reliable evidence when needed. Packed with advanced features, including G-sensor, motion detection, emergency video lock, loop recording, time-lapse, and voice guidance, the R2-4K also includes a free 128GB microSD card and supports up to 1 TB. Its 24/7 custom parking mode protects your car while parked, making this dash cam an essential, high-tech solution for security and peace of mind. And our last choice is Rovcar Smart Dash Cam. The Rove or 2-4K Pro Dash Cam is a feature-packed, state-of-the-art solution for complete vehicle monitoring. With stunning 4K UHD front recording at 2160p/30 fps and 2.5K rear recording at 60 fps, it delivers crystal clear footage day or night. The Sony IMX335 sensor and f1.5 aperture capture intricate details, while the 150 degrees wide-angle 6-glass lens reduces blind spots for full road coverage. Advanced dual-band 5G per 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi allows seamless connection to iOS or Android devices via the Rove app. Review, download, share videos, or adjust settings with ease, including free over-the-air firmware updates. Built-in GPS tracks real-time speed, routes, and compass directions for reliable evidence when needed. This dashcam also offers a 24/7 custom parking mode with motion detection, collision detection, and time-lapse recording, ensuring your car is monitored even when parked. Additional features include G-sensor, loop recording, emergency video lock, supercapacitor for durability, voice guidance, and CPL filter support. Backed by a 1-year warranty and USA-based customer support, the R2-4K Pro is ideal for safety-conscious drivers. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.